Hello guys and welcome back. This is the Ultimate Unboxing and today we are very happy to introduce the SkyStream. This is an amazing product coming from Sky and let's go to the unboxing. So this is the box. Sorry for the marks, it was a huge sticker on top of the box with the details. So, here we have the amazing magic box of SkyStream. Some instructions and a beautiful carbon-free box that you can throw away when you open your device. So, let's start with the magic box SkyStream. So this is a device. As you can see, it's a very simple device with 2 ports and 1 antenna inlet, so you can connect your aerial, so you can use it as a normal TV. This is a LAN port which you connect your internet wired, or you can use the Wi-Fi function of the device and it's gonna work perfectly fine with the Wi-Fi. This device supports HD, so you have your HDMI. So you can watch your movies in a perfect quality, and the installation is very simple because you just plug it in, plug this to your TV, your HDMI, and you press the power button on the bottom. So this is the SkyStream as a box, very small. It's quite similar size with other multimedia boxes, and that's the purpose of it, because you can use it as a multimedia box to basically use only this and not any applications on your TV if you have a smart TV, because you can install apps inside here, and the apps are YouTube, the ITV, My5, Paramount, Netflix, everything. So you can have everything inside here, inside that little box, and you just operate it with your remote, which I'm gonna show you now. So let's take them out. This is your remote control. It's a smart remote. Up here you have a microphone which you can talk. You press the button and you talk, and you can find whatever movie you like on the applications you are asking. Obviously you have the home button. You have to, for the first time, it shows that you have to pull this sticker out. I'm gonna show you what's inside. So you press it back, and as you see here, it's in between the battery and the remote, this paper. So you just remove that. You can do it with the box closed, but I prefer to do it like that. It's better, I believe. This is a Bluetooth and infrared remote control, and the reason for the infrared, I'm gonna explain to you very fast, is when you have this, the SkyStream and the remote, they talk with Bluetooth, but the infrared in the front, the purpose of it is to control your TV. So basically, you can operate your TV, volume up, volume down, close the TV via the remote control. So that's a very handy feature. You just go inside the menu and you just find your TV and it works straight on. Let's see what else is on the box. Inside here we have the HDMI cable that you connect to your TV. And as you see, everything is colored, so it shows a pink here. You just put the pink of this and you put this on your TV. It supports HDMI 1, 2 and 2. So you can use it in an older TV or a brand new TV 4K. And obviously you have your power supply. This is your power supply. This is the only thing you have to plug on your wall. And you just plug this small thing on the back of your SkyStream. Look at that, on the blue color. You plug it in here. You plug your internet if you want for better quality. But you can run it obviously with Wi-Fi if you like to do that. Usually when you order your SkyStream, it's gonna be already set to your Sky account. So you don't need to worry about setting it up because it's gonna work straight when you take it and put it to your house. The only thing it's gonna ask you is to press the pair button on your router so you can watch. All the channels are in HD, as I mentioned. I'm sure they're gonna put Ultra HD in some point to some channels. The quality is very nice, so don't feel that it might not be so good. Bear in mind, in some other companies, the HD is premium, so you have to pay more. Of course, there is some different things you will find out when you have this. You can always add things to this device. What is the best thing of all? If you get this device with the standard channels that they have, you pay a very small amount to have this. And you can cancel your subscription anytime. If you enable on this device to have the Sky Cinema, the Sky Sports, and all these channels, because obviously, as I mentioned, you can watch your regular TV channels here, then it changes the contract to the Sky, and it comes like a normal account. So you pay the Sky Cinema, say, every month. All right? But if you take it and get it as it is, you don't need to worry. You can always cancel at any time, at any point. I don't think there's something under here. So basically, you plug this in, you connect your HDMI, you press the small button on the back, and it's working. So I'm very satisfied with Sky. The products are very reliable. The cameras, the security systems they are very good. The SkyStream is amazing. You have the ability to have the stream on demand. This is a beautiful box with an amazing remote control. very. You remember the old remote controls of Sky. So that's a fully functional Bluetooth remote control, way better. It has this nice design so it doesn't slip from your hands, and obviously you can use the Sky Stream as your Sky Glass, and you want the experience of the Sky Glass without getting obviously the TV. This is the answer. This is the answer. A small box that has everything inside. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for keep the channel alive, and subscribe, like. If you want to ask something, write on the comments, and see you the next time. Have a great night.